Hello friends, how to tell time in distance, weather, cost and some such other things in English. It is done by using it plus B. It plus B, here it is. That is it is. Short form is it's. IT apostrophe S. It's. Now you begin like this time, for example, we say. See the first one here. For it's time, we say it's time. Then you say, suppose you want to express ideas like raining. How will you say? Raining, it, you cannot say. In English we say, it's raining. It's raining. So when you say time, when you express time, when you tell about time, you say, it's time. See first one. Second one, it's 9. It's 9 in the morning. It's 9 in the evening. Or it's 9 a.m. Or it's 9 p.m. It's a quarter to 4. A quarter to 4. That is 3:45. You can also say it's 3:45. In the afternoon or in the morning. Then it's a quarter past 4. That means 4:15. We can also say like that. It's a quarter past 4. Or you can say it's 4:15. It's half past 4. 4:30. We can also say like that. It's 4:30. It's another way of saying. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. You can say like that. Or you can say it's half past 3 in the afternoon. You can say half past 3. It's 3:30. And then 7 you can see distance. It's 5 kilometers to Trichy. It's 5 kilometers from here to some other place. It's very near. It's far away. It's not so far. Then about weather, it's raining, it's snowing, it's cloudy, it's warm, it's cold, it's hot, it's scorching, sometimes SCORCHING. It's very cheap cost, about cost you say. It's costly. It's 20 rupees per kilogram, 100 rupees or whatever it is. It's raining cats and dogs. It's terrible rain. That is flood. It's raining cats and dogs, causing flood. It's easy. It's difficult. It's not so bad. It's interesting. It's nice. So this it plus is, it plus be, and its short form, it's. It is, short form is it's. So very often we use it for, say, on many occasions, like to tell time, to tell about distance, tell about cost, tell about weather and so on, or many other such things. It's interesting. It's okay, we say. It's okay. Somebody says that. Instead of saying okay, you say it's okay. This. Understand that? I think this is very, very useful, and in our day-to-day conversation, when we are talking to people and so on, very often we come across this kind of usage. Now there is a difference between it apostrophe S and it without apostrophe. So if you write like this, ITS, no apostrophe. That means possession. It means possession, as we say now. This is a room. So that its dimensions are. This is a room. Its dimensions are. That means the dimensions of the room. That's the meaning. It without apostrophe S means of. Of it, that's the meaning. This is my pet dog. Its behavior. means the behavior of the dog. Not it is, but its behavior. Understand? I love my cat. Its pranks or its play attracts me. It's means of the cats. That's the meaning. I hope you understand the difference. It with apostrophe s means it is. It without apostrophe means of it. Its play. Its dimensions, as we said. Okay. Its behavior and so on. I think it is clear. Hope that this video is very useful to you. In that case, you should like, share and subscribe. Bye.